हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग। तो आज है संडे, सो इट्स अ व्लॉगिंग डे। आई नो यू गाइज लव व्लॉगिंग। देयर आर लॉट ऑफ सब्सक्राइबर्स हु सेज दीदी आप ज़्यादा व्लॉग क्यों नहीं बनाते हो, तो चलो आज व्लॉग बना लिया जाए। सो आई जस्ट वोक अप इन द मॉर्निंग, आई टुक बाथ, आई जस्ट गॉट रेडी एंड आई विल बी शोइंग व्हाट आई एम वेयरिंग। सो आज वेदर बहुत सही है, मैं क्लिपिंग डाल दूंगी व्हाट इज़ द वेदर. The entire night it was very good. I don't have to use even fan. इतना अच्छा वेदर है. आई थिंक हैदराबाद का इट्स आई डोंट नो हाउ द टेम्परेचर एक्चुअली फेल डाउन एंड इट्स रियली रियली गुड. सो मॉर्निंग स्किन केयर आई डिड नॉट शूट बिकॉज मेरे को थोड़ा जल्दी था. वैक्सीनेशन, टुडे इज अ वैक्सीनेशन डे, सो आई एम गोइंग फॉर द वैक्सीनेशन. सो 11:30 to 12:30 का स्लॉट था. आई विल डेफिनेटली शेयर द एक्सपीरियंस how it is. But one thing which I somewhere understand is if you are going for the vaccination, do not go empty stomach, and that is something which is a very big no-no. So have something, a good a meal, not the heavy wala, but definitely have a good meal. Do not wear full sleeves because obviously the vaccination will be the vaccine will be punched on your arms. So do not go फुल स्लीव्स वाला कुछ पहन के. बी इन अ वेरी नॉर्मल, क्या कहते हैं, कैजुअल वेयर. और हाँ, दैट इज़ समथिंग विच प्रिकॉशंस आई एम टेकिंग. यूज़ डबल मास्क विच आई विल बी यूजिंग, एंड ऑल्सो डो नॉट फॉरगेट योर स्पेक्स. इफ़ यू आर नॉट अ पर्सन हु यूजेज स्पेक्स देन प्लीज़ यूज सम जीरो पावर का, बिकॉज क्या पता ब्लैक वाइट येलो कौन कौन सा फंगस है. आई एम नॉट श्योर. आई एम गोइंग आउट आफ्टर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. एज इन क्या करें, जाना तो पड़ेगा. सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न. इफ़ इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल, प्लीज़ डू नॉट गो out. That is something which I will suggest. Lockdowns are eased out, but that does not mean that again we will go a little easy breezy and then again we'll fall into something. So let's not do that. So you guys asked me skincare. I do not have any specific skincare in the morning. It's just the toner thing. So let me just show you what I used because आप लोग पूछते हो. So for the toner I have used this Good Vibes का thing, and it's like almost done, so I need to purchase the other one for myself. And next I used normal serum, which is this Swiss Beauty ka gold serum. Skin is doing better now, so उतना oily का कुछ है नहीं. So no moisturizer is something that I applied. And for the body lotion, since I am using Johnson's ka body lotion, this is because my skin is actually the body skin is actually very 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 rough. Okay, one more update. Miniso ka this is there, I'll just show you, which I made a separate video of. So this is actually helping me to clear my skin. So it is this one. So I've used it so badly that it's having color now. So for the skin, those who have an oily or acne kind of skin, and if you really wanted to get rid of your gunks and everything, so please, this is something which must be used and I really really like it. So that's pretty much. I will dive straight into the kitchen to have something. Before that I'm just gonna show what I am wearing, and that's pretty much. I think now it is visible, but still I will be showing. So yes, I am wearing this very old crop top. This is also not something which is new. It is an old one, but it's a little heavy because the weather of Hyderabad is little chilled. And this jeans, that's it. So right now I'm in my kitchen and we will be making kanda poha. Now kanda poha is something which is very famous in Maharashtra, and I think I am raised there. So कभी कभी खा लेते हैं कांदा पोहा, and it is very easy to make and also not very light. It is pretty good heavy kind of a meal. My skin is my face is swollen. I don't know for what reason, but I think I slept less, not more but definitely less. So yes, by the time goes I think it will be normal. So let's make kanda poha. It's a very simple easy recipe, and let's start. So as I mentioned that I'm using the apple cider vinegar, so let me show you. I use this wala apple cider vinegar. This is, just have it with one small spoon in a lukewarm water. So that is something which helps to increase the metabolism, which is something important, and also helps to get rid of cholesterol, triglyceride, anything if you have. So that is also there basically out, and also boosts the immunity. So kindly ignore my hair. It's a vlog. Let's skip it raw the way it is, and let's quickly dive into making my breakfast. For the kanda poha, what we have done is oil, little bit of mustard seeds, which is also called rai. I'm just going to show you. This is what the seed that I have kept in the oil, and let that splatter. Then some sengdana, which is also called mungfali, that is there, and little bit of onion, little bit of small green chilies. So let this saute. Add a little bit of salt. Try not to use frying pan, because I keep on telling it's not good for health in future. So I've put some chili powder, little bit of turmeric, very little, just to add the color. So let this saute till that time. The poha, let's wash it, rinse it, not wash it, rinse it with very less water. Soak it for a couple of or 4 seconds, and let's see. Guys, try taking thick poha. There are two kind of poha. One is thin, one is thick. So try for the thick one, and it's easy if you're staying with this kind of thing. So I think ज़्यादा पानी भी नहीं आएगा, और at the same time कम पानी भी नहीं रहेगा. So this is what. So I have already did one batch. Pani, make sure that the water is completely drenched out, or else things might go messy. So इस तरह से let this sit for some time and then kind of mix it. So ये I have kept it for sitting completely water to be drenched, and then I'm just gonna add this completely. And very careful while you are shuffling this, because it might happen that it tends to break. So let this sit for some time and then kind of mix. Done with this poha. This is somewhere it looks like. If you want little bit of more turmeric, then it is good, but I am fine with this. This color is fine. I've just chopped grated dhania, coriander leaves, that I have done. And the other thing which we do is, you can serve this with spicy mixture, or kind of spicy mixture as in कैसे बोले, spicy kind of any snacks. And one more thing I do is I squeeze few drops of lemon to make it more chatpata. You can do that. Do not add chaat masala and all of that stuff, because that will not help you for the poha to get that original flavor. So that's pretty much, it is ready to be served. So finally it was served, and that's how it looks like. I did not take any fancy plate, because garam cheese do not do it in any of the fiber, or probably to some extent ceramic maybe. Steel is better. It doesn't react. So you ready? Let's have it. I came back after vaccination. I didn't feel any much difference, but I will be sharing some experience. It was very good. The organization that I work with, they only provided the vaccines and everything. It was good. After effects, though, I think I took a vaccine 1 o'clock, and now it is 7 o'clock. As of now, there is nothing that I can feel. There is no difference, and all is good. Let's see. People say that at night fever usually comes. I am not sure. Let's see. So I will be waiting. I wanted to end the vlog here. Yeah, I most probably will be ending the vlog. because there is a lot of other videos that I will be filming, and I will definitely be filming that. So yeah, vlog will be here. So I actually came, and then I will cook something for dinner, and I think pretty much I went to actually IKEA, so I will probably visit a clipping of the Hyderabad IKEA. Not inside thing, I did not film anything. I wasn't feel like I didn't felt like filming inside the IKEA, because there are new stuffs that came, but again it was little hassle because I took vaccination in this arm, and it was a little bit paining, though little bit, not that much. So I did not film also in the IKEA, so I just had my own time, so I did not film. But again, I will be sharing how the Hyderabad IKEA actually outside, how it looks like. Inside I have already made a separate video, so I can definitely, you can guys can definitely check that out. So that is also the IKEA ka thing. It's almost the same, some new stocks are there. You can check also online, so they are delivering online as well, so that can also be done. So I did not film anything inside IKEA, but yes, definitely I filmed outside while entering the IKEA. So yeah, that I will be sharing one of the clipping after this. So that's pretty much, I will end the vlog. I hope the vlog was really little bit interesting, really entertaining, and if yes, then please do not forget to hit the like button, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down if there is anything next that you want to see. I will definitely come up with that, but due to some security reasons, I won't be able to let you guys know where I took the vaccination, exact location, and which organization I work. So for the security reasons, I won't be able to reveal that, but again, I will try to give the picture with a little bit of edits. Let me see if I can, then I will definitely put it. That's pretty much, guys. Get yourself vaccinated, to be very honest. I know the wave is little better now, but again, the waves can come, with the waves can go. There is nothing that is constant, so please get yourself vaccinated. It's very important to get yourself vaccinated. So as and when you get slots, as and when you get chance, please get vaccinated. That is very important. There are a lot of myths that is going on politically. Vaccines लेने से ये होता है, वो होता है. To be honest, this is all the shit which is going on. Vaccination is something which is very important, and I think everybody should take it. Those who are not following, those who are having this nonsense myth, please keep this nonsense to them. If you are educated, if you are really you understand the logic of science, then please get vaccinated. Vaccination is not something कि आपको कोरोना होगा ही नहीं. It's something अगर हुआ तो the impact will be less. So please get yourself vaccinated. Don't follow all the shit if people are talking. You can see lot of things going on Twitter. There are a lot of things that is going on Facebook. Vaccination से ये होता है, वो होता है. Please don't do it, because these are all political things that is going on. To be honest, we are common people. हमारा कुछ नहीं होने वाला अगर हम इन सब चीज़ों में जाएंगे. We have to protect ourselves, and I hope we have to take care of our own self. So it's just us whose decision is to take vaccine or not to take vaccine. There are a lot of rumors that will keep on coming, keep on going. Don't follow this. That's a small message that I wanted to share. So please, let's get vaccinated. Have an appropriate vaccine. Stay safe. Take the same measures as you were taking before vaccination, because yet to done with the second dose and other things. So things will remain the same, but yes, you should get vaccinated. That's what I will be always saying. And yeah, that's how, on that note, I will be completing this vlog. I will definitely see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.